The sun rises over a meadow. Dewdrops cling to blades of grass, sparkling like 1,000 tiny diamonds. A gentle breeze whispers through a sea of wildflowers, their petals painted in hues of sunrise. This is a place of vibrant life, a symphony of nature about to begin. At the heart of it all, a hive, a bustling city of thousands, prepares for a day of industry and adventure. These are honeybees, and this is their story. The air hums with anticipation. The warmth of the rising sun awakens the hive. Inside, worker bees stir, their wings a gentle tremor in the stillness of the morning. Each bee has a role to play, a vital part in the intricate dance of survival. Among them is Bessie, a young worker bee eager to embark on her first foraging mission of the day.
I emerge from the hive, my wings catching the first rays of sunlight. The world outside is a kaleidoscope of colors. I take a moment, orienting myself with the sun, my internal compass guiding my flight path. The air is sweet with the scent of nectar, a fragrant invitation from the blossoms below. My wings, thin and translucent, beat with incredible speed and precision, lifting me into the air. I join my sisters in a graceful aerial ballet, our movements synchronized and purposeful. We are a cloud of industry, each driven by an ancient instinct to collect the precious nectar that sustains our colony.
Bessie sees the world differently than we do. Her compound eyes, each composed of thousands of tiny lenses, perceive ultraviolet light invisible to humans. This hidden spectrum reveals patterns on petals, like landing strips guiding her towards the sweet nectar hidden within. What we see as a single color is, to Bessie, a complex tapestry of hues and shades. These patterns, invisible to our eyes, serve as a secret language of flowers, a silent invitation whispered only to those who can decipher their code. Flowers have evolved alongside bees. Their survival depends on these diligent pollinators. The ultraviolet patterns serve as a beacon, guiding bees towards the pollen-rich heart of the flower. It's a mutually beneficial relationship, a delicate dance of life sustained over millions of years. The patterns vary from flower to flower, each species displaying its unique signature. Some patterns are like bullseyes, guiding bees directly to the center. Others form intricate pathways, leading them on a journey through the flower's reproductive organs.
Back at the hive, I perform an intricate dance. I've discovered a bountiful field of clover, its nectar-rich blossoms promising a plentiful harvest.
Her dance, a series of precise movements and waggles, communicates the location of this treasure trove to her sisters. The angle of her dance in relation to the sun communicates the direction. The duration of her waggles indicates the distance.
It's a language born of instinct, a silent symphony of movement that ensures the survival of the colony.
Bessie, guided by Scout's dance, returns to the hive laden with nectar. She deposits her precious cargo into the waiting mouths of younger bees, called house bees. Inside their bodies, the nectar begins its magical transformation into honey. Enzymes within the bee's honey stomach break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars. This process, combined with repeated regurgitation and evaporation, gradually transforms the watery nectar into thick golden honey. The hive is a marvel of engineering. Honeycombs, crafted from beeswax secreted by worker bees, form a series of perfectly arranged hexagonal cells. This hexagonal structure is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also a testament to nature's efficiency. The hexagon is the strongest geometric shape, allowing bees to store the maximum amount of honey using the least amount of wax. This efficient design ensures that the precious honey, the lifeblood of the hive, is stored safely and securely. Section 8, Buzz, Guardian of the Hive.
At the entrance of the hive stands Buzz, a formidable guard bee. My job is to protect the colony from intruders, including wasps, hornets, and even hungry bears. My stinger, a formidable weapon, is a last resort, for I know that stinging comes at a cost.
Buzz and his fellow guards rely on a combination of vigilance and collective defense. They patrol the entrance, their antennae constantly scanning for threats. If an intruder is detected, they release alarm pheromones, summoning reinforcements from within the hive. Section 9, Queenie, Mother of a Million.
Deep within the hive, in a chamber reserved for royalty, resides Queenie, the mother of the colony. My long, slender body is constantly attended to by worker bees, who feed and groom me, ensuring my every need is met. My role is singular and vital, to lay the eggs that will ensure the survival of the hive.
She lays up to 1,000 eggs a day, each one carefully deposited into a cell prepared by worker bees. From these eggs will hatch the next generation of worker bees, drones, and perhaps even a new queen, ensuring the continuation of the hive's legacy. Section 10. The invaluable dance of pollination. As Bessie flits from flower to flower collecting nectar and pollen, she inadvertently performs a vital service for our planet. Pollen, the male reproductive cells of flowers, clings to her furry body. As she visits other flowers of the same species, she unknowingly facilitates cross-pollination, the process that allows plants to reproduce. Without bees, our world would be a very different place. Many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that we rely on for food depend on bee pollination. Their tireless work sustains ecosystems and ensures the diversity of plant life on Earth. Section 11. Our turn to protect, be a voice for the bees. The story of Bessie is a story of interconnectedness, a delicate web of life that sustains us all. Bees are facing unprecedented challenges: habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. Their decline is a warning, a reminder that we are all part of this delicate ecosystem. We can all make a difference. Plant bee-friendly flowers in your garden. Support local beekeepers. Reduce your use of pesticides. Educate yourself and others about the importance of bees. Be a voice for the bees, for their survival is intricately linked to our own. Let us work together to ensure that the buzz of life continues to resonate in our meadows, our forests, and our world.